how does human-wildlife conflict affect humans? Have you ever thought about how our everyday lives intersect with the world of wildlife, especially birds? Human-wildlife conflict is a real challenge that affects many aspects of our lives. When birds and humans cross paths, it can lead to various problems that impact us directly and indirectly. One major issue arises in agriculture. Birds that feed on crops can cause serious damage to our food supply. Granivorous birds, which enjoy seeds and grains, are often drawn to cultivated fields. They can consume or spoil crops like wheat, rice, and tomatoes. This damage can happen at any stage of the crop cycle, leading to reduced yields. For farmers, this means less food and potential financial losses, which can contribute to poverty and malnutrition in communities that relying on agriculture. Health risks also come into play. When large flocks of birds gather near human settlements, their droppings can pose serious health hazards. These droppings may carry diseases that can spread to domestic animals and even humans. When birds congregate in high numbers near homes or public spaces, it creates a public health concern that needs careful management to minimize risks. Property damage is another consequence of human-wildlife conflict. Birds of prey, like raptors, may hunt or nest near human structures, leading to potential damage. Scavenging birds, such as vultures, while beneficial to the ecosystem, can also create nuisance problems when they gather in large numbers. The conflict can lead to negative attitudes toward birds. Some individuals may resort to illegal shooting or persecution of birds, especially protected species like raptors. This not only threatens bird populations, but also reflects the tension between human activities and wildlife conservation efforts. Moreover, human activities such as converting natural habitats into farmland or urban areas increase interactions between people and birds. As their habitats shrink, birds may adapt their diets or behaviors, leading to more frequent conflicts. This can result in predation on domestic animals or raiding crops, further straining relationships between humans and birds. To address these challenges, practical solutions are essential. Physical barriers like fences, spikes, and nets can help deter birds from feeding or roosting in sensitive areas. However, these measures must be applied carefully to avoid harming wildlife or disrupting their natural movements. Habitat conservation efforts are also vital. By maintaining natural habitats, we can reduce the need for birds to enter human-dominated areas, promoting coexistence. In essence, human-wildlife conflict affects us through economic losses in agriculture, health risks from disease, property damage, and social tensions. Finding a balance between our needs and bird conservation is key. By protecting habitats and implementing conflict mitigation techniques, we can work towards a future where humans and birds can thrive together.